What's happening, Matt? Try to explain what the hell's going on.
We're gonna go figure out what number between 15,000 to 100,000.
Uh-oh.
Choose two numbers.
Two numbers.
Between
1.
0
and 2.
Between 20 and
20,000 and
between 20 and 50.
20 and 50. Got it. 20 and 21.
And
I mean, you can keep your number secretive, but I'm gonna say 20 and
No,
21.
You never know. You never know. Then he was like, "Wait, now take that number then
and
times
add it
by."
multiply it by 2, divide that by 3, and then multiply
Multiply
it
by
by 5.
0. 0. All right. Okay.
I'm texting Wendy right now, and I'm gonna put, knowing that we are friends, pick a number between.
This is gonna be a mess. You ready for what the? You right there, man?
Yeah. I'll just do 1 and 2.
Oh, there it is. That's the shot.
So the max per set or more of a set. No, don't worry about it.
Just face the opposite direction then. Yeah.
Heavier than before, like I normally.
I'm having a hard time lifting this.
What the fuck? We're good.
Oh fuck, it's my turn already? God
Okay.
damn it.
That felt heavy as shit.
My hand, man. Alright.
My hand, yo, I tore skin. I ripped my calves already.
This is a horrible game, guys.
I'll do a double set. I'll take a double set. Take a time.
Sure. I can do it like, I can drop from 5 to like 3.
To change battery.
Oh, yeah. Just to be fair.
Hey, wait, pause for a second.
7,008, right?
Sorry. That's what I'm afraid might happen.
I did that before for the first time.
Someone back here?
No, I started farting when I was.
Oh.
Take a break.
Come on, man, come on.
How many did you do already? One?
Yeah.
So let Ryan go.
Yeah, just so the moment you let go of the bar, you're done. Okay. Right? No, that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Let Ryan go. Come on, Ryan. Grip that shit. Come on. Easy. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. I know it's gonna hurt. Keep going. Go. Come on.
I'm having mine. Now that I'm on my own.
Yeah, we'll get the...
John might be right. Breathe, man. He finished his 8. So Matt, you need 8 more. We need 8 more too. So let's get to 8. You could take a minute. You need 2 sets in fucking 10 minutes, bro. 11 minutes.
I know. It hurts.
My grip's already given.
I know it hurts.
Starting my grip right now.
Calluses?
Yeah, it's that callus right here on my ring finger. I'm like, alright,
You guys don't peel?
I
He
did
does.
last night. I actually shaved mine off with a razor.
Did you really?
I do that every like.
Yeah.
So peeling is good.
I started developing when I peel them all.
See, yours is good. Look.
Oh, yours is like built in.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
It's
gonna
like
fuck.
it's right. It hurts.
That's not good.
It fucking hurts.
For me and Neil, we're just gonna hit the 7,000 without the warm up.
Okay. Okay.
So we got like 4,000.
4,000 left. So
Good luck, guys.
we have to do 4, 5, 7.
Come on, bro.
So, you know, in actuality, you do more reps if you're a little bit. But you're matching your endurance hours and your strength level. So you're still putting in the same amount of work as us. I'm fucking tired. I'm winded.
My first set felt like crap.
I'm still, my heart rate's at 142 and I've been wrestling.
Come on, Ryan.
Well, I try not to.
Yeah, you were lock out the top.
Yeah, for like 2 years.
You came up with something.
So for you, even if you let go, you go again. If you let go, we're done.
We just want to finish our 4.
You let go?
No, I don't think there's a rule. You just try to get your. Oh, is there a rule? Oh.
Alright? Yeah, that was the grip.
Oh,
Four?
so once you can't. So even if, no, but if he's
If he
resets.
took an attempt and he couldn't make it,
Oh, no, but if he's resetting and going, he's fine.
But he doesn't let go.
So the fact that he let it go, he should.
So when Ryan went like this,
That way you can save yourself. It's hard to keep track of that.
we're just making new rules right now.
Oh,
the
as you go.
Next time this will be much smoother.
Okay.
This is the first attempt at our game.
But I think 100K was definitely feasible.
For all of us?
As a team?
Oh, a team, yeah.
At 135?
I mean, yeah, we'll probably hit 100K at 135.
How big reps would that be?
It'll probably be a lot of
A
fun.
hell of a lot of reps.
I have 8 altogether. We're
Left?
16? 8 left, yeah. Because I just finished my 1 set.
Okay.
I stopped, I let go and I stopped.
Oh, fuck me.
I hate you guys.
Just do the 4, and then we'll figure out after that.
You're done.
No. When we're done with his, he still has an extra one.
Oh.
I still have an extra 4 up.
So maybe we could just drop it down.
Yes.
For him.
For him and then. In a 20-minute time span.
Yeah. 100%.
Come on. There you go. Don't forget your feet, bro.
7 minutes.
One more setup.
And you're done? Don't compromise for that.
How many more? 5?
I got 5 more.
Alright. That's not bad.
You guys still have 4.
You mean have 4? He has 5.
It's fine. Better than it would normally be. But I know I'm like,
Power through this one. Come on.
I'm just fucking powering through that.
Power through this.
Yo, your bar sucks.
Yo, you suck.
There's no grip. No
I
knurling
told
it.
you it was cheating when we had your bar.
Oh.
No, but we use chalk.
Yeah, but Chris has like a competition bar.
Okay, well that's
I
good.
mean, it's really.
Nice.
But not the flex.
Oh.
You got it.
Come on. That drop should be the line. Come on.
Finish out.
Yeah! Done.
Nice. Wow.
Good.
I made it.
Are we on to drop it down? Okay, come on.
No, I don't know. But
Shit.
he said working set.
We're done?
You're working set. It's alright.
We're done?
Whatever.
You finished too?
We're done. Oh, fuck.
Fuck.
You guys flew. That's too light for you guys, man.
Hell no.
What? You try lifting
This
it?
is heavy.
I can't. You know something?
I have the belt on, I can't.
Teamwork, man. Doesn't matter who did what. It's all team effort. Actually, to tell you, I don't even know how many reps I did. I just whatever. At one point, I just started matching him. So I don't know how many sets I did with him.
Well, you did sets of 4.
No, my first two reps were 5. And I don't remember. I don't remember.
2, break, 3.
So we did 34 reps. You can't do it. 35 reps.
So did we hit 7,000 each?
Let's do 3, man. The Mel at 4. Do 1 and I'll do 1.
For real?
That wasn't including 1.
That's 3.
Oh yeah?
Just do 3.
Do 3, man. We got the rest.
So it's just
So much pressure, bro.
Come on, dude. You got 5 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's go.
Me and Ryan did our 70.
You done? What?
7.
What? Come on, man. Come on. 4 minutes.
It's on you, Don. 3.
We can help him though, right? Breathe.
4, man.
Breathe. Ryan, get one.
Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah, I think you still got 4 minutes. You did those 2 in less than a minute.
He needs 3.
Oh, no, still. You're okay.
Take your time.
You're okay. You're okay.
Right? 3? He needs.
3 more left?
Yeah.
That's if we're not jumping in.
Okay.
So you're back up?
Yeah, we're back.
50K would have been fun.
50K would have been rough.
Take a breather. Take a breather. Matt taps up. 4 more.
Oh, you got this. Come on, come on. Oh, shit, it's 3, right? Just 3?
That's 1 for me.
And then you're taking 2? That's a good one. Actually, this is the last one. Good job. One strong lift. Nice.
Come on, man.
I don't want to play you guys anymore. I'm gonna bring my own bar so I can do my own. you guys are mad. You guys are mad. I'll just sit there with my fucking 45.
See, when you guys stop thinking about numbers, I just think about a different type of number.
Yeah.
It changes.
No, my mentality's like just fucking finish.
So yeah, my mentality is just lift as many as you can.
Lock your shoulders back. There it is. Lift that shit. Lock out, lock out.
I was looking at like I can't lean back.
Square.
Good job, man.
Good job, guys.
2 minutes to spare.
18 minutes.
So next time we do this,
Fucking shit.
That's nice.
the minimum is going to be
50?
35. Okay?
35.
So the minimum is going to be 35.
Okay.
Why?
Well, we're not doing this again.
What else are we doing now? Are we still working out?
Yes.
All right.
That's right.
It's not bad. It's only 8:30. We finished.
I got Lauren.
I got kids stuff to do.
What's that?
So what are we doing? Overheads?
Overheads, and then we'll have some accessories.
Okay. All right. I'm not gonna record all that. Peace out, guys.